Brats, you know that we have been in love with our Quest 2, with the Mobo VR, we got the M2, we got the F2, we even got the Bionic Mantis headphones. That is probably gonna be my permanent, or at least pretty close to my permanent setup, as long as I have the Quest 2. Now that begs the question, our old love, the Vive Deluxe Audio Strap. What do we do with this? This thing costs $140, and I feel really bad sitting around watching it collect dust and just sit there when I know that one of you out there could use this. This is still a great option. I personally don't find it nearly as comfortable as this, but it's got amazing audio, which is better than what I have on there. And like I said, this is a seriously expensive setup, so I'm gonna give it away. Went through, I gave this thing a deep cleaning. I swapped out the pad. I'm gonna actually just throw away the old pad that was on there, so it'll be nice and fresh for whatever home this goes to from here. If you want to get entered in that giveaway, I need a couple things from you. One, you've got to be a subscriber to the channel. So if you haven't already, smack subscribe right now. I'd really appreciate a like on the video. Of course, it's optional as always, but that would really help getting the giveaway out there. Leave a comment on the video. I need the word giveaway, one word in there, so that the bot will be able to find the comment to get it to you. And then I need to know what country we're shipping this to. I'm going to leave this open worldwide, but leave the country in there so I know what I'm dealing with when it comes to shipping. And 3, again, optional, but I would really appreciate, share this giveaway. Whoever you know has a Quest 2 could also use this strap. I appreciate that. I'm going to run this thing for 1 week from today. This thing is dropping on Saturday the 21st. So on Saturday the 28th, we'll be announcing the winner on the channel and getting their details, sending this out to them. Thank you so much for coming out here and spending some of your time with me today. Good luck in the giveaway, and wherever you're at, I hope this video brightened your day at least a little bit, and I will see you in another reality.